Did you know that you have access to a telehealth platform via your Pro membership to Plus? From your dashboard, select the Exercise and Telehealth tab at the top of the page. If you want to set up a telehealth session with a patient, you will need to add the patient by clicking on the Add New Patient tab. If you are setting up a telehealth session for an existing client, you can select the patient from your list of patients. To add a new patient, click on the Add New Patient tab, fill in the patient's details, and click Add New Patient. From your list of patients, you can click on the Telerehab tab at the top of the page. Here, you can click on Schedule New Meeting. Select your participant or participants from your patient list. Select the date and time for your appointment. You can choose to send an email reminder to your patient if you wish to do so, and then click Save. From here, you can send the invitation by email, and you can join the meeting room. If your meeting was set up in advance, when it is time for your meeting, simply enter the Telerehab section and click on Join Meeting. You may need to wait a moment for the page to load. At this point, you may be prompted to allow access to your computer microphone and camera. You will need to click on Allow for this. The platform allows you to record the consultation, mute your audio, mute your camera, share your screen, and switch to full screen view. To exit the consultation, click here. Alternatively, you can set up a telehealth consultation via the My Patients tab. By clicking on the patient name, you will have the patient information pre-populated for you. From here, you follow the same process as outlined before. In the patient record, you can select to play or download the recording of your session. All this available in your Pro Plus membership.